Hello student, welcome back to this online session today. In our previous session we have already discussed about the questions based from the reference to context. Now today we are going to discuss more questions based on lesson number 1. So let's start. The first question is here: why did Charlie go to the shop? The answer of this question is Charlie went to the shop to buy a Bonka's Beeple Scrumptious Fuzzmallow Delight. Charlie went to the shop because he wanted to eat Bonka's Beeple Scrumptious Fuzzmallow Delight. So the answer will be Charlie went to the shop to buy a Wonka's Beeple Scrumptious Fuzzmallow Delight. Now we move to the second question. What was the reaction of the pupil when they learnt that Charlie had won the golden ticket? The answer of this question is when the pupil learnt that Charlie had won the golden ticket, they became very excited and envious. Some of them even tried to buy it from him. The third question is here: do you think the shopkeeper was a kind man? We have already discussed these questions during reading or studying that chapter. Yes, the shopkeeper was a kind man. He prevented the onlookers from cheating Charlie of the golden ticket. He also advised Charlie to rush home without losing it on the way. This shows that the shopkeeper was a kind man. The fourth question is here: why do you think the text is called Miracle? Suggest some suitable title for the text. The text is called Miracle because it tells the story of a boy who was lucky enough to win the most sought after thing in his town. The other suitable titles for the text can be the following. The first is here, The Golden Ticket. Second, How Charlie Got Lucky. And the third title can be here, A Stroke of Luck. Now the last question of this lesson is here: was it right of the pupil to offer money to Charlie in exchange for the golden ticket? Why do you think so? It wasn't right of the pupil to offer money to Charlie for the ticket. The pupil were jealous of Charlie for winning the golden ticket and they wanted to buy it from him for a pittance. This shows the pupil were greedy and selfish. Now we have finished all the questions from lesson 1 and you are advised to write down all these questions in your notebook. In the next session we shall start lesson number 2. Goodbye. Stay home and stay safe. Thanks.